This initial orbit provides a full overview of the roof structure and the complexity of the site. It highlights elevation changes, obstacles, and access considerations that are important before any detailed evaluation begins. This lateral pass across the front elevation shows the wind conditions during flight. The hotel flags indicate steady gusts, and the stable footage demonstrates precise aircraft control with no drift or handling issues. Here we move into a close-range inspection of the ceramic tile roof. Filmed in 4K at 60 frames per second, this footage can be slowed down, zoomed in, paused, or converted into high-resolution stills for enhanced detail review during post-production. This section documents the roof edge and perimeter components, including flashing and drip edge. In calmer conditions, the aircraft can safely maneuver closer and underneath overhangs to capture additional detail from multiple angles. Flat roof imaging reveals membrane condition, seams, and drainage issues with high clarity. Aerial HVAC inspection can identify refrigerant or oil leaks, deteriorated insulation wrap, exterior corrosion, impact damage, and visible mechanical faults. These views also help confirm airflow clearance and general system condition. When paired with infrared imaging, both the roof and HVAC systems can be evaluated for moisture intrusion, improper heat exchange, and over-temperature electrical connections. Thermal imaging helps reveal early-stage issues that may not be visible to the naked eye. All footage is captured with post-production flexibility in mind. Every clip can be stabilized, slowed, zoomed, or enhanced to extract maximum detail, providing property managers, facility teams, and insurance professionals with actionable visual data. For detailed roof and HVAC evaluations, or to schedule a commercial inspection, contact Dimension Drone today.